Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into US Bank online banking and budgeting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start logging into US Bank online banking, visit the official US Bank website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see a drop-down menu. Select Personal. Next, enter your user ID in the designated field. Then, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your user ID for future logins, check the box that says Remember my user ID. If you forgot your user ID or password, you can click the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password links for assistance. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your online banking dashboard. Here, you can view your account balances and transaction history. To access budgeting tools, look for the Tools or Budgeting option in the menu. Click on the budgeting link to start setting up your budget. You may need to link your accounts for more comprehensive budgeting options. Follow the prompts to categorize your expenses and income. Once you have set your budget, make sure to review it regularly for accuracy. Keep track of your spending to ensure you stay within your planned budget. Remember, US Bank offers resources to help you manage your finances effectively. That concludes the steps to log in and get started with budgeting in US Bank online banking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.